I'm going to be doing a giveaway on this robotic pool vacuum. If you're interested, post a comment below. And make sure your email is linked to your YouTube About page. I pay for shipping, so this is a free giveaway. What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is the NaTiddy Robotic Pool Vacuum. Let's go ahead and check it out. I'd like to thank NaTiddy for sending me this robotic vacuum. This is a plug and play robotic pool vacuum cleaner. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. So they claim that this is tangle-free cabling. The control box is water resistant. Not waterproof though, so make sure you keep it out of the pool. So this is floor only, all purpose, which is it goes up to the water line, cleans the bottom of the pool and even the walls. And you can set the timer for 2 to 5 hours. And right here is the robotic vacuum. Here's the drive belt that drives the rollers. To replace the belts, of course, you have to remove this panel right here. It uses Phillips screws, and you got another panel right here that you can easily remove and replace the belts. The belts should last around 2 years. The blower motor is right here. Go ahead and open it up. Here's the filter baskets. This is where you empty out your debris. It only plugs in one way, so you can't really mess that up. There we go. And NaTiddy pool vacuum, compared to the competitors, you can see that the speed, it has one of the fastest cleaning rates and strongest suction rates. So right here, this is where you turn it on and off. Press this button to turn it from 2 hours to 5 hours. Press for floor only or all purpose, where it cleans the water line, walls, and floor. But before you do so, make sure you throw the robotic pool vacuum into the pool, or else it's going to cause an error on the control box. Then you have to press and hold the power button to reset the unit, or you can unplug it. As you can see, it has insane suction power, climbs almost out of the pool, cleans all the tiles, then the suction stops and it drops down to the bottom of the pool, just to repeat the process. This is one of the strongest robotic pool vacuums I've ever reviewed. To take the robotic pool vacuum, make sure you grab the handle, do not grab the cord. Rinse the unit with fresh hose water on the outside and also the inside. What I like about the NaTiddy robotic pool vacuum cleaner is that it goes all the way up to the tiles and cleans the water line and the tiles at the same time, which is really nice. The suction power is really strong. It works with medium to big sized pools, easy to clean, just plug and play and leave it alone. If you guys are interested in the NaTiddy robotic pool vacuum, check out the link in the video description below. If you know anyone that's interested in a robotic pool vacuum, click on the share button below and share this video to them. Help someone out. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Thanks guys for watching.